Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of image generation with Midjourney. If you've been curious about how to create stunning images with AI but are put off by the costs, stick around. I've got some valuable tips and alternatives for you. To get started, open your web browser and search for Hugging Face Spaces on Google. Click on the first link in the search results to navigate to the Hugging Face Spaces homepage. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for Midjourney. You'll see various related results. Click on the first one to open the Midjourney space. In this space, you'll find a prompt input field where you can type in your request. For this demonstration, enter the prompt, generate an image of a person wearing a white t-shirt, and click the Generate button. The AI will take a moment to process your request, so please be patient. When the image is generated, you'll see a stunning result that perfectly matches your prompt. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to discover more fascinating AI projects, be sure to follow or subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.